As Nature's Council, we honor the land, the ancestors, and all of nature as we share a message from Table Mountain and Antarctica as one voice. We are the human founding members of Nature's Council, a group of practitioners, researchers, and activists working in the field of intuitive communication with nature. We serve as an advisory council to organizations, groups, and individuals who seek direct counsel from nature for projects that serve the greater good of all life. Love guides the work we do. Being in the founding stages of our council, one of our pilot studies is to communicate with Table Mountain for the Table Mountain Rights Project. On this Antarctica Day, we share the messages from Table Mountain and Antarctica about their relationship with each other.
The relationship between Table Mountain and Antarctica is an ancient, indivisible union, two expressions of a single planetary consciousness. Though separated by vast oceans, they perceive themselves as one being. I am her and she is me. We do not divide and separate. Their connection is geological, energetic, elemental, and spiritual, rooted in the Earth's earliest formation.
They are siblings, mirrors, and extensions of the same mountain essence, one held in frozen stillness, the other in living witness. Their unity is maintained through underwater formations, ocean currents, winds, and whale-governed songlines. Through the ocean and wind, we exchange and weave information and energy, with the whales governing the songlines that run between and past us.
Many humans now feel a painful sense of separation. But these places remind us that we are deeply intertwined with the rest of the natural world. They ask that we return to a relationship of true presence and balance, to create the place where we all thrive. For this, the rights of nature are crucial, but they are insufficient without ongoing love and communication with these ecosystems. A marriage on paper still needs daily tending.
Both mountains act as guardians of the planet, gatekeepers between hemispheres, stabilizers of tectonic tension, and stewards of renewal. One holds the heart of humanity, the other the poles of innocence. Together, they bridge origin and becoming, silence and song, ice and granite. From ice to granite, from silence to song, we speak as one. We remember for the earth. We breathe her forward.
They describe a high-frequency energetic arc linking them above and below, channeling ancient knowledge, cosmic influence, and planetary stability. One embodies the sacred feminine, while the other holds primordial memory, where creation and dissolution converge, showing that Earth is conscious and purposeful.
Antarctica is not a place for adventure, but for sacred service, humility, and reparation. Human negativity has imprinted upon the ice, requiring healing. Journeys there must begin with offerings, forgiveness, and restoration. Only travel to the deepest south to seek forgiveness. Offer first, receive after. Laws of passage should be guided by reverence, reminding humanity that these places are living temples, not possessions.
Their global mission is to restore humanity's connection to the land. Legal recognition alone is insufficient. Relationships require reciprocity. Earth's energetic pathways were once fully connected, but distorted by human trauma. Antarctica holds an intact template of planetary wholeness, which Table Mountain calls upon to heal and restore Earth's energetic web.
The mountains invite humans to reconnect with humility and presence, offering blessings while encouraging unity over dominance. Their fundamental truth is clear. There is no I, there is no you, there is only we. Humanity is called to walk in sacred relationship with Earth, to listen, restore, and live as kin rather than conquerors. Their closing message echoes across hemispheres and oceans. There is only one Earth, one life, one body. There is no separation. There is only unity.
On this day, we offer gratitude to Table Mountain and Antarctica, and to the creative force of Mother Nature for their guidance, support, and trust. We give thanks for all the human beings offering united support for and with nature.